they are the students of grade 9 and we are the STEM club team. Today we have constructed a model that is a buzzer loop game in which they are learning the patience, concentration, coordination and the electric circuit concepts.